shade is dark is because you see the darkness of the shade, we can determine the distance the object is from the light. It's a fascinating phenomenon. You could calculate the distance between the object and the light by the level of darkness of the shadow that's being casted. Now, the further away the light is from the object, the shadow will have a less opacity. It becomes more translucent and translucent, right? It loses its translucency until it deteriorates and become transparent. You could see right through it. So I find art to be intriguing. The ability to draw. How you could use darkness how you could just implement a single touch of light and the object pops. Light makes the object pop. Wherever the light is reflecting on,